my dear students, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video, we have discussed about how to find the sum of two matrices. In today's video, we will discuss about how to find the transpose of a matrix. So what actually this transpose of a matrix and how to write a program for this? Let's see in today's video. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. So what is this transpose of a matrix? So let us assume we have a matrix with 2 rows and 3 columns. So the elements are like this. Say the matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is 2 rows and 3 columns. Transpose of a matrix says you need to change row to column and column to row. So here we have how many rows? 2 rows. So row 0 and row 1. And we have how many columns? 3 columns. So it is column 0, column 1 and column 2. So what we need to do here, we need to convert row to column and column to row. So number of rows into column should be changed now. So how we need to convert? I need to convert rows to column means how many columns we have? 3 columns. So let me convert that column to rows. So now it is 3 rows. So now we have column value which is 3 converted to row and row to be converted to column. How many rows we have? It is 2. That has to be converted to column. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. My resultant matrix should be like this. Row will be converted to column and column will be converted to row. So now it is how many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. And how many columns? 2 columns. This is row 0, row 1 and row 2. This is column 0 and column 1. This is what I need to do. So how to do this? How to convert this row to columns and how to convert this column to rows. Row value has to be changed to column and column value has to be changed to row. So this is what the resultant matrix I need to generate. So how to do that? Let us see with the program. So this is what the program to transpose a matrix. So first of all, we have an array declaration. The array name is A. 2 rows, 3 columns. So I have written the memory allocation for 2 rows and 3 columns. So row 0, row 1, column 0, column 1 and column 2. A of 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 2. These are all the index values, subscript values. So we all know this. Right. So the first message, we have to enter the elements. So row value and column value I have given as it is. If you want to take the row value or column value during runtime, you can just have some variables like R, C or M, N and you can take the values for row and column. But I have mentioned here as a constant value. So this is for the outer loop is always for row and the inner loop is always for column. So the first loop, outer loop takes care of rows. So it is less than 2. Number of rows, the first outer loop takes care of rows and the inner loop takes care of columns. So I equal to 0, I less than 2. Condition 2, execute this immediate statement. You have an inner loop, j equal to 0, j less than 3. Yes, condition true, scan an integer. So we know how to scan the 2D array. So we accept the value into the address of a of ij. Ij means 0, 0. Then inner loop progress. J gets increased. It is 0, 1. Then 0, 2. Then inner loop terminates. Then control to outer loop. I gets increased. I becomes 1. 1 less than 2, again get inside, inner loop starts from first, j equal to 0, j less than 0. See here the first row is done, we are starting with the next row. So it is, j value becomes 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 2. The second row with all columns. So we know how to scan the values. Now let us see how to transpose the matrix. So here a message you can get in the output screen, transpose of a matrix. See, look at here. The row value and column value I have changed. That you need to notice here. And I am not printing ij, but I am printing ji. So why we are using this ji and why we have changed this row value and column value. See, this outer loop takes care of rows. Now the row has to be converted to columns, means it becomes 3. And column to be converted to rows means it becomes 2. So this is rows and this is columns. So I equal to 0, 0 less than 3. Let me write iteration now. 0 less than 3. This is what the I value. Condition true. See, I have changed the row value and column value. So here I have given column value and here I have given row value, but this takes care of rows. So we are starting with first row, and this first row condition true, 0 less than 3, then get inside, then I say inner loop starts j equal to 0, j less than 2, 0 less than 2. I have given column value. So this is j. Condition true, then print an integer that is stored in a of ji. So what is ji? J means it is 0 and I it is 0. So this is what my output. Let me write the output here. 0, 0 means it is 1. So I'll get 1. Then don't execute this because based on this loop condition only this statement gets executed. Take the inner loop progress. J gets increased. Now j becomes how much? J gets increased. It becomes 1. 1 less than 2. Check the condition. Yes. Execute this immediate statement. Print an integer that is stored in a of ji. So what is j? Here it is 1. I it is 0 only. So j it is 1. So what is the j value? It is 1. What is a of 1, 0? Look at here. 0, 0 I printed. Right? Next I need to print a of 1, 0. A of 1, 0 means 4. So I am printing 4. Then again take an inner loop progress. J gets increased. J becomes how much? It becomes, check the condition. 2. 2 less than 2? No. The condition not satisfied. Inner loop terminates. Immediate statement gets skipped. Control to this line and then to outer loop progress. Then the control will be to outer loop progress. New line. The cursor comes to next line. See here after printing each and every value, I have a tab space. If you don't want to use tab space, you can just have a space. Okay. Okay. Then outer loop, I gets increased now. So what is the value of I? It was 0. Now it changes to 1. 1 less than 3? Yes. Then j starts from first. 0 less than 2? Yes. Execute the immediate statement. Print an integer that is stored in j. A of ji. What is j value? It is 0. What is I value? It is 1. What is a of 0, 1? It is 2. Print that 2. Then again inner loop progress. J gets increased. J becomes how much? It becomes 1. Now print a of ji. What is j? It is 1. What is I? It is 1. What is a of 1, 1? It is 5. So it is 2, 5. Again take a loop progress. J becomes 2. 2 less than 2. Condition not satisfied. Inner loop terminates. Execute this new line. Then go to outer loop. Cursor will come to next line. And then go to outer loop. I gets increased. I becomes 2. 2 less than 3. Yes. Condition true. Get inside. Start the j from first. J becomes 0. 0 less than 2. Yes. Condition satisfied. Print ji. What is j? It is 0. What is I? It is 2. What is a of 0, 2? It is 3. Print that 3. Again inner loop progress. J gets increased. J becomes 1. Print a of ji. What is j? J is 1. I it is 2 only. A of 1, 2. It is 6. 1, 2. It is 6. Again inner loop progress. 2 less than 2. Condition not satisfied. Execute this and then take outer loop progress. Cursor will just come to next line. Then outer loop progress, I gets increased. I becomes 3. 3 less than 3? No. Condition not satisfied. The whole loop gets terminated. This block gets skipped. Control to get ch and the program ends. See? Look at the outcome here. Here I have 2 rows and 3 columns. And now I have changed to 3 rows and 2 columns. So it is 3 cross 2. 3 rows and 2 columns. My resultant matrix will be like this. This is one method of converting the or transposing a matrix. You also have one more method where I can store this resultant to one more matrix and then print that. That's an assignment for you. You have to do that, and you can send the screenshot to my Instagram link. So this is how to do the transpose of a matrix. This is the dry run. Let us see the actual execution of the program. So this is what our program is. Transpose of a matrix. Save the program. Alt F9, Control F9, compile and execute. Enter the elements. So let me enter the elements in matrix form itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 2 rows, 3 columns. So in that format I have entered. You can also enter the values in the continuously also, no issues. So let me press the enter key. Now I am going to get the output. Look at here. Transpose of a matrix, row converted to column, column converted to row. So it is 1, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 6. So this is what the transpose of a matrix. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.